What is your name
Anushka Vasant Paliwal,
and class?
senior class,
Okay. And what is the capital of Maharashtra?
Mumbai,
Mumbai. And Andhra Pradesh,
Amravati,
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar,
Assam,
Biskul,
Bihar,
Patna,
Goa,
Panji,
Bihar,
Patna,
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur,
and Gujarat,
Gandhinagar,
Haryana,
Chandigarh,
Himachal Pradesh,
Shimla,
Jharkhand,
Raipur,
Jharkhand, Ranchi, Jharkhand,
Ranchi,
Karnataka,
Bengaluru,
Kerala,
Thiruvananthapuram,
Madhya Pradesh,
Bhopal,
Manipur,
Imphal,
Meghalaya,
Shillong,